Welcome to another episode of Rugged Homestead. Here I'm going to show you the problems of planting a root-bound plant. Ten years ago when I bought the Rugged Homestead, I planted in front of our house a western red cedar. It was a globe-shaped, I think it's called Thuja plicata, and it was called Sunshine. And it was a gorgeous plant growing, shrub really, and had to keep trimming it back so it didn't grow too tall, try to keep it in check. But we've had 3 nor'easters in 3 weeks. Might even get another one the start of next week, so that'd be 4 nor'easters in 4 weeks here in New Jersey. And the weight of the snow, because it's been heavy, wet snow, was apparently just too much for this shrub, and it pulled it over and killed it actually. But I don't think that was the only problem with the shrub. I chainsaw a bunch of it out to get it out and use the branches for some ground cover. But when I got down to the root ball, this is what I noticed. You can see the roots are running around. And that comes, it's almost like it's still in the pot that it came in. And that's because I didn't prepare the hole properly when I bought the plant. And the roots had probably started to become root bound in the pot, and we're starting to circle the planter. And I didn't do anything to change that, so the roots just kept growing in that direction. And it's really pretty fascinating how they are growing. Now, it did have some pretty big roots that are still in the ground that I have to dig up that did go straight down into the ground. So that's what probably allowed it to grow as it did, because it ended up growing to about 8 feet tall. It was a short little shrub when I planted it, probably about 2 feet or so. And it grew to 8 feet, and I've topped it a couple of times, and it was still growing. It was probably those long roots that allowed it to do that. These roots were slowly, I would imagine, choking it, just going around and around. I'm not sure what I'm going to be planting there in the future to take up its spot, but I will prepare the hole a heck of a lot better than I did when I planted this. I, of course, had no real knowledge of what I was doing when I was planting this. I kind of just followed a garden plan that had out a nice design, so I copied the design and planted it, but basically just dug a hole and threw it in. I can see now that's not the right way to do it. So as I said, this is just a short, quick video showing you the dangers of planting a potted plant that is getting root bound, or not preparing your planting hole ahead of time properly. All right, if you like what you see, give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel if you'd already do so. And click that alarm button. And that way you'll be notified right away when videos like this are posted, and you can follow along as I turn my suburban home into a homestead. Thanks for watching.